Hello, my name is Oliver. Are you dealing with large data amounts and complex systems? I would like to show you our tool OMrun. Grab a coffee, have a seat, and please join. Let's have a look at OMrun Ribbon. The Ribbon menu presents all basic functions during the daily work with OMrun. It offers the following options. Execute button. It starts the execution of the active executable element on the screen. Stop button. Stops any started execution. This is convenient to cancel a time-consuming operation if needed. Configuration button. Displays the configuration panel for the OMrun dashboard for all defined data and program adapters and for the user settings. Export button. It exports instantly any active result in MS Excel or OpenOffice Calc. Dashboard button. Opens related dashboard in your preferred browser. Dashboard shows the current business system with its last results. Help button. Opens the help page of OMrun in your preferred browser. If you are offline, a QR code will lead you to the same page on your own mobile device. License button. Shows configuration of all license key related activities like activation or deactivation. About button. Displays some information about OMrun like the version number and few local hardware related details. And the last one is the Windows button. It gives an overview of all opened element windows in OMrun. Thanks for watching. There are much more tutorials to check out. Happy comparing and see you next time.